in line with your spine as well. And all we're doing is we're pulling the heel into the back side, stretching away in the quad.
Knees together or knees open part?
Wherever you're feeling the stretch, I would suggest most of us will have our knees together. And all we're trying to do is just feel this tension down the quad. And that's all you should be feeling. And the stretching, remember, stretching never hurts. Okay. Okay, without doing any shuffling at all, just relax and just roll onto your left side. And you should still have the same amount of space as you have between the other person. Except you do. Okay, same difference. Keep your head, keep your neck neutral. So the left leg stretches away that spine, the right leg